If you love Hanukkah but also dream big for the new year, then this one's for you. Hanukkah is all about light, love, and celebration. It's a time for family, friends, and remembering the miracle of the oil that lasted for 8 days. This year, let's bring extra sparkle to the season with meaningful gifts and traditions. Whether it's lighting the menorah, playing dreidel, or sharing a delicious meal, Hanukkah is all about creating memories that last a lifetime. And, as we enter 2025, why not make it a season of giving and earning, too? Imagine turning your Hanukkah traditions into income opportunities. From selling homemade treats and crafts, to diving into the booming world of e-commerce and the creator economy, the possibilities are endless. Want to know how to turn this season into a profitable one? Click the link and discover the top trends for generating income in 2025. Embrace the spirit of Hanukkah and light up your financial future. Happy Hanukkah, and here's to a prosperous new year.